Welcome back to My Emerald Health. In the previous video, we looked at several amazing foods that naturally support some of your body's most important organs. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I highly recommend checking it out first so you don't miss the valuable information we've already covered. Today, we're continuing our countdown with more nutrient-rich foods that research has linked to healthy organ function. These foods contain vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, healthy fats, and beneficial plant compounds that can help nourish your body from the inside out as part of a healthy, balanced diet. So without further delay, let's continue our list and discover the next powerful foods that deserve a place in your kitchen. Part 3. We've already explored how certain foods may support your blood, brain, and eyes. Now, we're moving to one of the most fascinating and perhaps most misunderstood systems in the human body: your digestive system. Did you know that nearly 70% of your immune system is associated with your gut? Or that your intestines are home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome? These beneficial bacteria help digest food, produce certain vitamins, influence your immune system, and even communicate with your brain through what's known as the gut-brain axis. Scientists continue to uncover just how important a healthy digestive system is, not only for digestion, but for your overall health. Let's look at 3 foods that may help support a healthy gut. Foods that support healthy intestines. Aloe vera. For centuries, aloe vera has been used in traditional medicine, primarily for soothing the skin. But the clear gel found inside its leaves has also attracted attention for its potential role in digestive health. Aloe vera contains compounds called polysaccharides, along with vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants. Some laboratory and early clinical studies suggest these compounds may help soothe the digestive tract and support the normal healing process of the intestinal lining. Researchers have also explored aloe vera for its potential to ease symptoms in certain digestive conditions, though the evidence remains mixed. A review published in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine noted that aloe vera shows promising biological properties, including antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. However, researchers emphasize that more high-quality human studies are needed before firm conclusions can be made. If you choose to consume aloe vera, it's important to use food-grade aloe vera products that have been properly processed. The yellow latex found just beneath the leaf's outer skin contains compounds called anthraquinones, which can have a strong laxative effect and are not recommended for regular consumption. Not all aloe vera products are the same. Always choose products from reputable manufacturers and follow the directions on the label. Cucumber. Sometimes, the simplest foods offer impressive health benefits. Cucumbers are made up of about 95% water, making them one of the most hydrating vegetables you can eat. Hydration plays an essential role in digestion. Your intestines need adequate water to move food smoothly through the digestive tract. When you're dehydrated, stools can become harder and more difficult to pass, increasing the likelihood of constipation. Cucumbers also provide small amounts of vitamin K, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants, including flavonoids and tannins. Although cucumbers aren't a miracle cure for digestive problems, including water-rich vegetables in your diet can help support healthy bowel function as part of an overall balanced eating pattern. Their refreshing crunch also makes them an excellent substitute for processed snack foods that are often high in sodium and unhealthy fats. Try adding cucumber slices to salads, sandwiches, wraps, or simply enjoy them with hummus or yogurt-based dips. Green apples. You've probably heard the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." While no single food can guarantee good health, apples certainly deserve their reputation as one of the healthiest fruits available. Green apples are particularly rich in dietary fiber, especially a type of soluble fiber called pectin. Pectin acts as a prebiotic, meaning it feeds beneficial bacteria living in your intestines. When these beneficial bacteria ferment pectin, they produce compounds known as short-chain fatty acids, including butyrate. These compounds help nourish the cells lining the colon and contribute to a healthy intestinal environment. Research published in Nutrients has shown that dietary fiber plays a significant role in maintaining a healthy gut microbiome and supporting digestive health. The World Health Organization and many national dietary guidelines recommend consuming plenty of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, largely because of their fiber content. Most adults, however, consume far less fiber than recommended. That's unfortunate because fiber doesn't just benefit digestion, it also supports healthy cholesterol levels helps regulate blood sugar after meals, and promotes feelings of fullness. Whenever possible, eat apples with their skin on. Much of the fiber and many of the beneficial plant compounds are found just beneath the peel. Your gut is more than a digestive tube. Scientists now understand that your gut and brain are constantly communicating through nerves, hormones, and chemical messengers produced by beneficial bacteria. Your digestive system can influence mood, stress responses, and even aspects of cognitive function. This is why researchers often refer to the gut as the body's second brain. Although that phrase is simplified, it reflects an exciting area of modern medical research. Supporting your gut with fiber-rich foods, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and eating a variety of plant-based foods all help create an environment where beneficial bacteria can thrive. Foods that support healthy kidneys. Now let's move on to another pair of remarkable organs, your kidneys. Every single day, your kidneys filter approximately 180 liters of blood, removing waste products while carefully balancing water, electrolytes, and minerals. They also help regulate blood pressure, stimulate red blood cell production, and activate vitamin D for healthy bones. It's an extraordinary workload. Keeping your kidneys healthy isn't about expensive detoxes. It's about giving them the nutrients and hydration they need to function efficiently. Let's start with a berry that's especially well known for urinary tract health: cranberries. Cranberries have earned a strong reputation for supporting urinary tract health. But how exactly do they work? Interestingly, cranberries don't kill bacteria. Instead, they contain unique plant compounds called proanthocyanidins, which appear to reduce the ability of certain bacteria, particularly Escherichia coli or E. coli, to stick to the walls of the urinary tract. If bacteria can't attach easily, they're more likely to be flushed out during urination. A review published by the Cochrane Collaboration, one of the world's most respected evidence-based research organizations, found that cranberry products may reduce the risk of recurrent urinary tract infections in some groups of people, particularly women with frequent infections. However, cranberries are not a treatment for an active urinary tract infection. Anyone experiencing symptoms such as pain, fever, or blood in the urine should seek medical evaluation. Fresh cranberries are quite tart, but they can be enjoyed in smoothies or mixed with other fruits. If choosing cranberry juice, look for varieties without excessive added sugar. Celery. Celery often gets overlooked, but it's a nutrient-rich vegetable that deserves more attention. It's naturally low in calories while providing vitamin K, folate, potassium, and antioxidants. Celery also contributes to your daily fluid intake, which is important for maintaining healthy kidney function. Some laboratory studies suggest celery contains compounds with antioxidant properties that may help reduce oxidative stress. While claims that celery flushes toxins from the kidneys are exaggerated, staying well hydrated and eating plenty of vegetables are well-established strategies for supporting normal kidney function. Celery also makes an excellent snack with peanut butter, hummus, or low-fat yogurt dip. Cucumber, a second appearance. It's no coincidence that cucumbers appear twice on today's list. Their exceptionally high water content supports hydration throughout the body. Proper hydration helps your kidneys efficiently filter waste products and maintain normal urine production. Of course, hydration doesn't come only from cucumbers. Drinking adequate water throughout the day remains one of the simplest and most effective ways to support kidney health. The exact amount varies depending on age, climate, physical activity, and medical conditions, but making water your primary beverage is a healthy habit for most people. Protecting your kidneys every day. Kidney specialists emphasize that lifestyle matters just as much as nutrition. Managing blood pressure and blood sugar is critical because uncontrolled hypertension and diabetes are among the leading causes of chronic kidney disease worldwide. Avoiding excessive use of certain pain medications, limiting excess salt, staying physically active, and maintaining a healthy weight all contribute to long-term kidney health. Remember, healthy kidneys quietly perform hundreds of vital tasks every minute without asking for recognition. The least we can do is support them with healthy daily habits. We've now nourished your blood, brain, eyes, digestive system, and kidneys. But next, we're about to discuss the body's most powerful chemical processing plant, the liver. You'll learn why the liver is capable of performing more than 500 different functions, why garlic and beets appear again on our list, and what science really says about liver detox. The truth may surprise you. End of part 3. Part 4, final part. So far, we've explored foods that support healthy blood circulation, brain function, vision, digestion, and kidney health. Now we're arriving at one of the hardest working organs in your body, an organ that quietly performs hundreds of essential tasks every single minute, your liver. And after that, we'll finish with the lungs, the incredible organs that provide every cell in your body with the oxygen it needs to survive. Let's dive in. 6. Foods that support a healthy liver. If your body were a city, your liver would be its largest processing plant. Located on the upper right side of your abdomen, the liver performs more than 500 known functions. It processes nutrients from the food you eat. It stores vitamins and minerals. It produces bile to digest fats. It helps regulate blood sugar. It breaks down medications. It produces proteins needed for blood clotting. And yes, it helps process and eliminate waste products and toxins. That's why so many products claim to detox your liver. But here's what science actually tells us. A healthy liver already detoxifies your body around the clock. It doesn't need expensive detox teas or juice cleanses. Instead, it needs proper nutrition, limited alcohol intake, regular physical activity, and maintaining a healthy body weight. Let's look at 3 foods that research suggests may help support normal liver function. Beetroot. Beetroot makes another appearance on today's list, and for good reason. Earlier we discussed how its natural nitrates may help support blood circulation. But beetroot also contains betalains, unique antioxidants that researchers have studied for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Oxidative stress is one of the factors that can contribute to liver cell damage over time. Laboratory and animal studies suggest that betalains may help protect liver cells from oxidative injury, although more human research is still needed. A review published in Nutrients highlighted beetroot's antioxidant potential and noted that its bioactive compounds may support overall metabolic health. Beets are also a good source of folate, manganese, potassium, and dietary fiber, making them an excellent addition to a balanced diet. Roast them, steam them, blend them into smoothies, or grate them fresh into salads. There are plenty of delicious ways to enjoy beetroot throughout the week. Lemon. Many people begin their morning with warm lemon water because they believe it flushes toxins from the liver. Let's separate fact from fiction. Lemons do not directly detoxify your liver. However, they are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells throughout the body from oxidative stress. Vitamin C also supports collagen production, immune function, and helps improve the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. Lemons contain plant compounds called flavonoids, which researchers continue to investigate for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Adding lemon to water can also encourage some people to drink more fluids, which supports overall health. So while lemon water isn't a miracle detox drink, it's certainly a refreshing, low-calorie beverage that can be part of a healthy lifestyle. Garlic returns for one more important reason. Besides supporting cardiovascular health, garlic contains sulfur-containing compounds that researchers have investigated for their potential role in supporting the body's natural detoxification enzymes. According to research published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology, sulfur compounds found in garlic may help activate enzymes involved in the liver's normal detoxification processes. Garlic also provides selenium, an essential mineral involved in antioxidant defense systems. Although researchers continue studying garlic's role in liver health, they agree that it works best as part of an overall healthy dietary pattern, not as a cure or treatment. Adding fresh garlic to home-cooked meals remains one of the simplest ways to enjoy its many nutritional benefits. What really helps your liver? If you truly want to protect your liver, here are the habits supported by decades of medical research. Maintain a healthy body weight. Limit alcohol consumption. Avoid smoking. Exercise regularly. Manage diabetes if you have it. Get vaccinated against hepatitis A and hepatitis B when appropriate. And eat a balanced diet rich in vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. There is no shortcut. Your liver rewards consistency, not quick fixes. Foods that support healthy lungs. Finally, let's talk about the organs that make every breath possible. Your lungs. An average adult breathes around 20,000 times every single day. Each breath delivers oxygen to your bloodstream while removing carbon dioxide from your body. Because your lungs are constantly exposed to the outside environment, they're also exposed to dust, pollution, smoke, allergens, and infectious organisms. While food cannot clean your lungs, certain nutrients may help support healthy lung tissue and reduce oxidative stress. Let's look at 3 examples. Pineapple. Pineapple is much more than a tropical fruit. It's packed with vitamin C, manganese, and an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain has attracted scientific interest because of its anti-inflammatory properties. Some laboratory and clinical studies suggest bromelain may help reduce inflammation and thin mucus in certain respiratory conditions, although evidence remains limited and further research is needed. A review published in Biomedical Reports noted bromelain's potential anti-inflammatory effects, but researchers emphasize that more high-quality human studies are required. Whether or not bromelain directly benefits the lungs, pineapple remains a nutritious fruit rich in antioxidants that support overall health. Fresh pineapple is generally the best choice because canned varieties often contain added sugars. Ginger. Ginger has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years. Today, scientists know that ginger contains active compounds called gingerols and shogals, which possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Research published in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine suggests ginger may help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Scientists are also studying whether ginger may help relax airway smooth muscles, although this area of research is still developing. Besides potential respiratory benefits, ginger is well known for helping relieve nausea and supporting digestive comfort. Fresh ginger can be added to stir-fries, soups, smoothies, teas, or warm lemon water. Its spicy flavor makes it both delicious and highly versatile. Garlic. One last time. Garlic appears for the 3rd time in today's video. That's because its beneficial compounds affect multiple systems throughout the body. Some research suggests garlic's antioxidant and antimicrobial properties may help support immune function. Since respiratory infections can affect lung health, maintaining a strong immune system is an important part of protecting your lungs. However, garlic should never replace medical treatment for lung disease or respiratory infections. Think of it as one nutritious ingredient among many in a healthy eating pattern. Your lifestyle matters more than any single food. As we've seen throughout today's video, nutrition is only one piece of the puzzle. To support healthy lungs, avoid smoking and secondhand smoke. Stay physically active. Exercise helps strengthen the muscles involved in breathing. Maintain good indoor air quality whenever possible. Stay up to date with recommended vaccinations. And eat a colorful diet, rich in fruits and vegetables that provide antioxidants and vitamins. These everyday choices often have a much greater impact than any single superfood. Final thoughts. As we've discovered today, your body is nothing short of extraordinary. Every second of every day, your organs are working together in remarkable harmony. Your blood delivers oxygen and nutrients. Your brain processes millions of signals. Your eyes capture the beauty of the world around you. Your intestines nourish your body and support your immune system. Your kidneys carefully filter waste. Your liver performs hundreds of life-sustaining functions. And your lungs provide the oxygen that makes all of it possible. While no food can magically cleanse or detoxify these organs, science clearly shows that a balanced diet rich in colorful fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, herbs, whole grains, and healthy fats provides the nutrients these organs need to function at their best. The secret isn't chasing miracle foods, it's building healthy habits that you can maintain for years. Every healthy meal, every glass of water, every walk, every good night's sleep, every decision adds up. Your body notices those choices, even if you don't see the results overnight. Remember, good health is rarely about perfection, it's about consistency. If you're someone who struggles to eat enough of these nutritious foods every day, there are high-quality supplements that may help complement a healthy diet. For example, beetroot powder, omega-3 fish oil, turmeric with black pepper, cranberry extract, aged garlic supplements. And probiotic formulas can be convenient options. These products aren't substitutes for healthy eating, but they can help fill nutritional gaps when used appropriately. We've included links to some of our recommended products in the description below. Be sure to check them out if you're interested in supporting your wellness journey. If you enjoyed today's video, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another evidence-based health video from My Emerald Health. And now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods do you already eat regularly, and which one are you planning to add to your diet first? Leave your answer in the comments below. We read every one of them. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.